What's up, guys? Today we are playing Demolition Derby. And, yes. What's my friend? Kason.
Hi, guys.
My car goes insanely fast. I'm all
got
riding.
the cylinder in, bro. I'm clutching. You're going back and forth.
Oh.
Wait, what are you doing?
I just spun out. Stop eating popcorn.
I'm hungry, bro.
You're always hungry.
Yeah, I am.
Nope.
I'm not that bad.
You said you had a six-pack earlier today.
I do.
How
I'm
do you...
riding on your butt. Just a normal day, be riding on your butt.
Do I have it? Oh, yes, I finally have a steering wheel. I'm in first person right now. Sorry, viewers. If you don't like this, I'll be back in this view. Oh, ooh! I keep spinning out on that exact turn. Thank you. That actually helped me.
Did it?
Yes, it did. I wish I had stupid mouse.
Oh, I have mouse.
I don't.
I
And this car is already insanely fast. I keep spinning out on that exact turn.
Wait, why are my lights not on your screen?
I don't
My
know.
lights are always shining. Look, Julian.
Make sure to smash that subscribe button if you like Demolition Derby videos. I want to reach 50 subscribers. When are you going to hit me?
I only have the cylinder in. I don't have the whole
Why?
monster racer.
Why?
Because I was just seeing how slow this thing was.
And it's insanely slow. I almost double lapped you.
Well, not racing, or else I would have freaking quit the racing.
Oh, yeah. I'm just cruising.
Or oh dang it.
This
I got
is
a black
annoying.
wheel. I got 2 black wheels in my life.
Ooh. Come on, stop spinning out.
Whoa.
Bye-bye. Yep. Oh, come on. I have a more powerful engine, and I'm more fast, but you're more, stronger.
I said pick your strongest car.
I know. Yeah, this is almost my strongest car, literally. I beat
got
you
the
in a
fire
fire truck.
Well, you didn't.
Well, yeah, you left again. How did I lose my front bumper?
You were literally doing it.
Oh, no. What did I lose now? Oh, I lost the front of my hood.
You have a bumper.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. Your
Oh.
car looks in perfect shape, bro. There's
Mm,
not a single dent.
there's a single dent. Let me see.
You have a back bumper, man.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. Oh, now that I'm a little close up. You don't.
Come on, bro!
I told you I always win at this.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
Bro. No, you don't.
Stop being bumper, man.
Well, make sure to smash that subscribe button and like button.